is Wednesday, December 16th. I'm out here at our batching area of Gainey's concrete products. I'm looking off to the north side of our plant, and there are two sand and aggregate bins, lower bins, and then a conveyor that takes those bins. You can see a truck is there now. When we come up a ramp and drop into those bins, our aggregate and our sand, and then they get conveyed into upper silos. This is the 6-compartment Dandy silo that these two on this side are decommissioned. They were for fly ash and for cement. We're not using either one of them. The far side has 4 more compartments. 3 out of the 4 are being used. We have 2 aggregates and 1 sand, and they're being used. Below that is the weigh hopper for the cement. I put this in 2007. It is a cement silo with a screw auger that comes over, and it's the weigh hopper. I've got a flapper valve and another flapper valve and a weigh hopper there. I'm going to climb up and describe the remainder. So we've got a electronic actuated flapper valve that's pneumatic, that opens and closes and delivers cement from the screw auger. We installed that ourselves. We've got a piston vibrator. We don't really use it. We fluff it with air. That's a roots blower up there that gives dry air. We don't have any compressed air going into our cement. Then this is a 2-yard bowler. They're effecting maintenance repair today. They're changing out blades. And over here is where you really need to see. So this is the bin for the aggregate. It's a combined aggregate and sand weigh hopper. That aggregate bin is being weighed off of an old analog scale. There's a guy wire over there. Here's the analog scale, and it's 1893 circa, and so that has to be changed out. And you can see the guy wire right here coming through the roof, and you know it's a very reliable scale, but I'm sure you can't read that off of a computer. We're weighing up our admixtures remotely with a computer. This is the computer from Master Builders, and it's dispensing our admixtures, and we do it visually with a visual check and by the computer. The remainder of these controls is here's just a simple toggle switch panel where we're manually opening and closing our clamshells, and you can see all of that. Here is a digital water meter, and here's our digital cement scale. Here's our ammeter that we use to confirm moisture content. And then here's our main panel where I'm turning the blower on for the cement and the mixer on. Off to the left is for the screw auger, to turn on the screw auger and the flap, and then emergency disconnect for the mixer itself. Off here, this whole panel is for, and you can see 480 3-phase, and this panel is controlling the conveyor and the sensors for the upper silos. We have a high level and low level, those mushrooms that kind of tip and tell you when they're full. And then we've got this all locked out, tagged out, so you see nothing is on. When we are low on cement, this red light comes on, and it's connected to a small motor on the side. You've seen them on these silos. And when it hits a low level, then that light comes on. There's a breaker box, and here is the control room. I'm going to tell you it is somewhere about 4 foot by maybe 12 foot. If you need the exact dimensions, I can get that for you, and I hope that helps.